within reach, 32 counts, 2 walls, high intermediate rolling 8, with 1 tag repeated twice and 1 skipping restart. Weight on the right. Section 1. Cross left over with sweep. Cross right over with spiral full turn back to 12. Left balance step, side, back, rock. Right side, behind, 1-8 forward, facing 130. 2 hip roll forward. Roll, recover, roll, recover. Cross point, scrap to 12. 3/4 run around, right, left, right, facing 9. Section 2. Forward, rise up on toes. Recover with hitch, rounding back. Reverse twinkle, back, side, rock. Behind, side, cross. 3/4 pencil turn. Quarter forward and continue half turn, drag in. Forward on right. Left mumble. Rock, recover, back, point back. Make a quick half turn. Transfer weight to right, facing 6. Count section 1 and 2. 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8 and 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8. Section 3. 2 forward sweep. Forward left with sweep. Forward right with sweep. 3/8 diamond. Cross side diagonal back. 430. Back 1/8 side, 1/8 forward. 130. 2 more sweep. Forward left with sweep. Scrap to 12. Forward right with sweep. Weave. Cross side behind. Right foot point out, hitch. Kick to the right diagonal 130. Section 4. When you step right together, brush left out into a flick. Step left forward. 3 half turn. Half forward, half back, half forward, facing 730. Left step, lock, step. Make a 1/8 turn, scrap to 6. Rock to the side, push right palm out. Recover, draw right fist in, together. Keep right arm in place. Rock left to the side, push left palm out. Recover, draw left fist in, behind, side. End of the dance, and start again with cross left with sweep, or do the tag. Count section 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8 and 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8 and start again. Tag at the end of wall 1, facing 6 o'clock. Tag forward left with sweep, jazz box, cross, back, side. Count for the tag. 1, 2, and start again. At the end of wall 4, after 5, 6, and 7, 8, and wall 5, you will skip the first 16 counts and go into the 2 sweep. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and continue. Whole dance count. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8, and tag 1, 2, and restart back wall. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8 and 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8 and then you'll repeat wall 3, tag, wall 4, full wall. At the end of wall 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8 and wall 5 from count 17. 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8 and 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8 and wall 6, last wall, 8 counts into ending. Wall 6, 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7 and full run around, 8 and 1. End of the whole dance.